Molweni guys, we're Khanya, K, K1, God, we are so back. We are so back with the sneaker reviews and unboxings. I finally bought my first pair of sneakers for the year, which is crazy because we're like halfway through now, but I finally did it. I decided to give Puma a try. I've decided to give them that privilege of being my first for the year. We're going to be looking at one of the oldest silhouettes that they have. Today, let us discuss a shoe called the Puma Palermo. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and connect with me on my TikTok and Instagram at Khanyaofficial. With that out of the way, let's get right into it. Some of you guys might be here to try and decide whether to get these or something like the Adidas Sambas. But let me cook. Puma might be onto something here. So when you get these delivered to you, you're gonna get them in the standard green and white Puma box, the OG green and white Puma box. Mine has a nice crease on it, like every other box that I have right now. But hey, you'll have your Puma logo here at the top, Puma logos on the sides there. You will have your sizing information on the other side. And what's cool about this box is that you have your sizing conversion and your sizing guide. So if you're not too sure what size to get for yourself, then this here at the bottom might be able to help you. I'll admit, I wasn't sure about these until I got them delivered and I checked them out and they actually are really dope. Let us unbox and see what we are working with today. You've got each shoe wrapped individually like a shawarma, which is crazy. Inside the box, you won't get anything else, like maybe an extra set of laces, nothing like that. No stickers or anything like that, unfortunately. But let us unwrap these shoes here. Alpine Snow and Desert Dust is what they've called this color. And of course, you can get them in a different color of your choice. If I didn't get these, I would have gotten the black and white ones. Those are very dope. I like the neutral colors. They're usually easier to style. And these are from back in the day. They first dropped in the 1980s, if I'm not mistaken, and they were a part of the Terrace collection by Puma, which was influenced by football culture. They're actually named after a city called Palermo, which is located on an Italian island where the football culture was very prominent at that time. The original shoes were used as match day shoes and indoor football and everyday lifestyle shoes for football lovers, essentially. And now Puma has brought them back in recent years because of the demand and they became hot again. So these are the retros of the originals. Retro just means re-release or the Mark IIs of the originals. If you are a camera person, you'll understand what that means, right? The Puma Palermo, honestly, it's one of their most iconic designs and they will never lose that relevance. I mean, they have that old school look, nice sleek shape, and they have the perfect prices as well. So these are retailing from between 900 Rand to 1.8 max, which is about $60 to $100 in the US, around there. Honestly, a shoe that looks good and is affordable will always be a winner in my books. Who are these for? Who would wear these? Honestly, everybody and anybody. They're not very loud. They have that very chilled look, so they don't demand your attention too much, right? So, which is why I believe you can wear these in any situation. I'm talking jeans, chinos, tracksuit, shorts, formal, all of them, bruh. I just need to get myself a nice old school football jersey and I'm done. I'm gonna rock these so hard. Yo guys, check out the t-shirt at preachcloset.com. Make sure to check it out. To dive into the materials used here, so the toe box is covered in suede, looks really good, the quality feels really good. We get more suede at the back of the shoe with the gold Puma logo, and on the sides you'll see the striped Puma logo also in suede, but just in a darker caramel color. The base material of the shoe is leather, and we get the shoelaces in the same color. My favorite detail on this shoe is this flap here that is stitched on the side with the Puma Palermo in gold. I really love that. The tongue is very thin. It's made of this nylon material. The Puma logo on it as well. The insole is Puma branded and it's not removable, which is actually interesting. And now let's get to the midsole. The brown midsole blends so well with the rest of the shoe. The gum sole isn't just aesthetic, but football fans liked it because it lasted longer on rough concrete when they were playing in these. The sole doesn't just look good, but it's also durable, which is a plus. Finally, we get to the outsole. You'll see a lot of circles, a few stripes, and the Puma logo once again right in the middle. That is it. Before I forget, of course, if you do get these shoes in a different color, there might be differences in terms of the materials being used in different areas of the shoe or just being completely different. So it just depends on the color that you get at that time. So remember that. Once you wear these, they feel extremely lightweight, very easy on your feet, very flat on the ground, not much cushion technology. You can see that the midsole is thin, so don't expect a lot of bounciness and shock absorption from these. They are comfortable though, but they won't be the best choice if you'll be taking long walks and if you're on your feet the whole day, then rather wear something that's more suited for that, like a running shoe. Once again, us narrow-footed guys have been favored because these are very slim and they are very narrow. So if you have wider feet, like your feet are big on the side, like nyawo zakho zinkulu, like, you know, then you might need to size up by at least half size once you get these. But they are definitely true to size, which is a plus. And this is how they look to you when you're wearing them from the top view. For my favorite part of this video, there are a lot of debates and comparison between these and your Adidas Sambas and similar. Honestly, I feel that these are very slept on, especially up in South Africa. Sambas are what you see more often. They are a lot more popular. But honestly, I think they both serve their own purpose. I wouldn't put one above the other, but each to their own. They do have similar characteristics and similar aesthetic. But I'd honestly have both, eh? If the Palermo makes sense for me to rock today, then I'll rock it today. If tomorrow is a new day, the Samba makes a bit more sense, then I'll wear it tomorrow. So it really just depends. I like variety, so I'd honestly have both, but more often than not, I think Vugani guys, Samilala. So here's the question, guys. Should you buy the Palermo in the big 2026? If you want something retro, lightweight, and a little bit different from what everyone else is wearing right now, then these are a solid pick. And if you combine that with the affordability as well, then you really can't go wrong. It's a great summer shoe, great for styling, even in winter actually. I think these are gonna be my everyday shoes for the next few months. I'm not too sure yet. I'm still gonna wear them a little bit more to see if they really do work for me. But the versatility is something that I appreciate a lot. The style is clean, the comfort is good, and the history behind the shoe is what makes it more than just another retro shoe, in my opinion. Let me know, guys, in the comments, are you rocking the Palermos or are you sticking with your Sambas? It's so good to be back. If you want more sneaker reviews like this, hit that like button and subscribe, and make sure to hit that notification bell, switch it on so that you don't miss the future videos. It really does help the channel grow. There's another link at the top. Click it to check it out. Ngozi kakhulu, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. But until then, sharpies.